Hey, what's up, everybody? Guess what? November Slutbox came in. So let's see what goodies that we have in here. I like some of the products that she's offered in her boxes. Some of them don't necessarily pertain to me. I do like the face, which is the EMK face wash. I use that pretty much every other day. I'd say every day. All right, let's go ahead and get everything out. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's pretty heavy this month. All right. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Uh-oh. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what I dropped, too. No, this isn't toys. I knew you were going to come over here and cause trouble. Let me put the fuzz in here. Just get the toys out. Or not the toys, the items. So this little bugger can stop being nosy. Ooh, not your boob. Is that going to be where you're going to just lay? Okay, well, I just have them lay in the box. Alright, let's see. Everything else in? Yep. Whoops. Alright. Let's clean up for later. Alright, let's see what we got. We got the Vintage Company. Let's see, cosmetic company. What is this? Oh, it's a shower cap. Okay. Feel glamorous when showering with this vintage-inspired shower cap. Pretty in peach and lined with waterproof pink polka dots. It's sure to make you feel every bit the 1950s glamorous puss. With a peach trim and a soft elastic opening, it will keep your hair as dry as a bone, so no frizz. Lord knows I got plenty of that. Let's see how soft it is. You think? Pretty? Alright, what else do we got? I know there's more stuff in here. There it goes. It's coming out. Looks like we got some, for some hangovers, 3 vegan multivitamin and herbal supplements for a morning as good as last night. Well, I won't be using this. I don't go party too much. We don't have friends. And plus, I'm usually in bed by 8. Alright, take 3 capsules with, how many are in here? Okay, there are 3. So take 3 capsules with food and water before drinking. Take another 3 before bed. Healthy living doesn't have to come at the cost of missing out. Flyby helps process alcohol-induced toxins, supports healthy liver function, and replenishes vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, which is just a fancy way of saying you'll feel better after a night out. Okay. Non-GMO, gluten-free. Interesting. Next time I go for a family trip. It's the only time I really drink. Ooh, we got a lip mask. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, oh, that's cute. Looks like it makes it look like it's wet lips. All right, let's open it up. Doesn't really smell like much. Ew. Alright, what do you do with it? How to use. Take out lip mask using the enclosed spatula and place it on clean lips. Leave on for 10 minutes and remove the mask. Gently pat until any remaining excess sinks in. Okay. Definitely gonna have to moisturize my lips tonight. Cocoa Star Black Lip Mask is a hydrogel lip patch that moisturizes dry, chapped lips. This would be perfect for the winter. Because, yeah, I don't do well in cold. I'm usually grumpy. Unless I'm in front of a heater staying all nice and toasty warm. Alright, what else we got? Mini Mo Glow. Essential Skin. Ooh, turmeric. Skin Tightening Facial Scrub. Glow Skin Brightening Facial Scrub gently and effectively buffs away dead skin cells while evening out skin tone for a bright and youthful appearance. Use Glow for hyperpigmentation, skin discoloration, and lightening of dark scars from acne. Specifically formulated for sensitive skin. Okay. I'll be using that tonight. What else we got? Some more. The UB. Invented by a Japanese pharmacist in 1957, UB's high-performance glycerin formula helps hydrate and soothe rough, dry skin from head to toe. Includes hands, feet, cuticles, face, and lips. Oh, wow. Get you moisturized everywhere. Let me see how it smells. Open. Oh, it's really thick too. Doesn't have a smell to it. Oh, there it goes. Kind of has like a minty, would probably be the best way for me to describe it. Campanique is what it is. So apply on dry skin or lips as often as desired. Camphor scent fades away. So it's that camphor smell that I'm thinking of. All right, what else do we got? Some lifestyle condoms. Ooh, what is this? All right, so this is OR Skincare Mineral Peel Body. Yeah, I can't read that language. Ah, there it is in English. Spray ample amount onto desired area and allow to absorb for approximately 3 seconds. Use your fingertips and minimally abrasive washcloth. Gently exfoliate in circular motion. For best results, use 3 to 4 times weekly on dry skin. Shake well before use. Okay, so it's a liquid exfoliant. Interesting. Smells kind of soapy. I will definitely be trying that out. Let's see, what else do we got? Minos. Okay. Just making sure I haven't forgotten anything. Oh, what is this? More UB stuff. Not for resale, sample, fragrance free. So this one is Advanced Formula Pure Hydration Cream. So I guess this is supposed to be stronger than the other one? Congratulations, you have discovered Japan's new... I can't even talk. Congratulations, you discovered Japan's new soft skin secret. If I can open it, that would help. Oops. So this looks like a small version of that. Let's see. So it's just a slightly different color. Apply on dry skin or lips. Use as often as desired. Yeah, so it just seems like it's the same thing on that one. I still slightly smell the camphor smell, but it's definitely fading. So it obviously fades pretty quickly. Sup, sluts? We hope you love our awesome Mother Rose Nips. I can't even read. Sorry, guys. We hope you love our awesome Mother Rose Nips Ticks. We create Neva Nudes as a means to make the world a more magical, sparklier place. And people like you keep the dream alive. As certified sluts, we freaking love the Mother. Doubled down on double standards and looked pretty good doing it. I edited that one. We wear these custom nipsticks in honor of our Mother Rose. And please tag at Neva Nude in your epic photos. These are actually pretty. Cute little covers. Alright, let's make sure we've got everything for October. although technically we're in November. I'm just a little late. So we got some of her Halloween costumes. Fall is officially here, and I'm ready to celebrate one of my fave seasons with all my best chicks. So we got the mineral peel, we've got the moisturizing cream, and the advanced moisturizing cream with chamomile extract. So we got those two. Making sure I got everything this time. Nope, we're missing something again today. We've got the Uber Lube Deluxe Sample. Boo, I didn't get that. Unless Monger made me drop it. That's my excuse. So we've got those. Yep, looks like we got everything except for the lube. Give me a second. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Oh yeah, and I got my gap. Duh. It's another thing I forgot. But unfortunately, the Uber Lube Deluxe Sample did not come in. Wonder why. Oh well. Have you gotten a Slutbox? Do you like what's in it? I like the fact that it's not what you would think is in it. I mean, especially based off the title. It's more feminine, you know, things you can actually use instead of just, you know, more of a gimmick. So I like that, Amber. Great job. Alright guys, let me know what your opinions are. Whether you want me to continue doing this, because I know I'm going to do at least one more box for December. If you want me to continue, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to move on to another project, another subscription box. So let me know, keep in touch, subscribe, stay tuned, and stay jazzy. Thanks for watching.